Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. I picked something up off Amazon that when I seen it and I seen the reviews on it, I knew I had to have it, and I think you guys will like it too. So let's show you what we got here, and I'll show you what it can do. All right, y'all. Here's what we got. It's a Vogma. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's the V40 model. They call it an air duster, but this thing is so much more than just a duster. I mean, this thing, the videos and stuff I seen of it and the reviews I seen on it, it blew me away. So that's when I knew I had to have one, and I think you guys will like it too. So let's get this thing out of the box here. Try to do it one-handed. It did have plastic wrap around it, but I took the plastic wrap off, so. Alright, there we go. Alright, got an instruction card there. Alright, here's the instruction card on it. You guys can read a little more on it. Just pause it, but yeah. The thing that I liked about it is one, it's cordless, it's rechargeable, but it's got variable speed, and the battery life on it is amazing. So I got the little protective bag off of it. So I mean, this thing, there's my hand. So it's like a little turbine blower deal. So let's I'm gonna get this plastic off of here. We'll get the that comes with a bunch of attachments, charging cord, storage bag, everything. So let me get that all unpacked, and we'll bring you guys right back. All right, y'all, got that little cover off the button there. Here's the attachments it comes with. Comes with a little micro one, you know. It's got little extra holes because I mean, I'm sure that thing will blow it right off there. Comes with a nice little duster deal, a small pointed one, and then just a larger cone one, or you can use it just with the you know, without nothing on it. So just there's the power button. You just press that. Just press and hold. It'll start blinking. That means it's on. And then there's a little thumb wheel down here. And I've already hit it once, but you know, you can variable speed it. I mean, there's like low. Let's crank this thing up. And you can literally feel this thing lifting. I'm blowing everything off the truck, off the hood. But I mean, that's max right there. And, you know, that's pretty stout. So let's take her outside and we'll see what she got out there. All right, let's take her outside and we'll show you on some leaves. All right, y'all, we're outside here now. We don't have no attachment on it, so let's that thing. We'll just yeah, that thing's just blowing the heck out of everything. Alright, let's head back here in the shop and we'll put an attachment on it and show you what I really wanted it for. Alright, y'all. Y'all know I do the tractor pulling, and sometimes we got to hot lap these things, which means you make one hook and you got to come right back around, you know, just a little bit to make another hook, and another pull. And these things get hot. So I know a lot of guys have little cooling fans out here in the front, but I don't on this one. But on this, you know, I can crank this thing up, put it right there, and cool this thing down in no time at all. And plus, on the really hot days, you know, I can adjust the speed down and cool myself off. Cool myself off. So yeah, y'all, for the price. Yeah, y'all, for the price. I mean, I'm gonna put the attachments in my toolbox, and instead of hooking up the air compressor, we're gonna, you know, I'll probably use this one right here, this attachment right here. Have it sitting on my the workbench or a toolbox. Just snap that on like that, and you know, use it to blow parts and stuff off with. So, but you know, the battery life on this thing is supposed to be phenomenal. So I'm sure we're going to get a lot of use out of it. So, all right, I'll leave the link down in the description, and I'll also add it to my Amazon store. So either way, you guys can check it out and pick one up for yourself. So, all right, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed that one. Hope you like this tool. You know, this thing here, like I said, it's gonna stay on my. I may even pick another one up. Put one in with the pulling equipment, and then one with the over here on the toolbox, and just use it around the shop and stuff here. Like I said, I just blew everything off the hood of the tractor here. It went flying. I got to pick it up, but yeah, this thing's gonna be awesome. So appreciate y'all, and click that link down in the description, or go over to my Amazon store. Click the link on my Amazon store, and we'll have it right in there too. So catch y'all on the next one.